Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will understand in this video session about my meaning of business, concept of business and characteristics of business. So let's start. Meaning of business. Meaning of the word business in its literal sense means the state of being busy. In economic sense, the word business means human activities which are performed with the objectives of earning profit. It is expected of business to provide goods and services to the society in an effective manner. The customer satisfaction cannot be ignored by any business firm to achieve the goal of profit maximization, because in modern times profit maximization is achieved through the satisfaction of customer. This is the meaning of business. Here is the concept. Here is the two concept of business. One is old concept of business, and another is modern concept of business. Business and society are closely related to each other, and business activities also affect social outlook, values, attitude, customs, and way of thinking, etc. Therefore, the reason that there has been change in the concept and objective of the business, old concept and modern concept. Profit In old concept, profit maximization was the main objective of business, and in modern concept, the goal of profit maximization is achieved through the customer satisfaction. Now understand, many writers have given their own views related to old concept and related to modern concept. So here I have taken only one writer's view for the comparison. In old concept of business, according to L.H. Henne, business may be defined as human activity directed toward producing or acquiring wealth through the buying or selling of goods. But in modern technique, according to Peter F. Drucker, business means to create customer. First of all, create customer, then expand the share market. Next point is characteristics of business. First point is exchange of goods and services means business in an economic activities which is concerned with exchanging of goods and services and to satisfy human wants. For example, if a shopkeeper purchase some material for his domestic use, this activity will not be called business, but if purchase the same material for selling purpose, so it will be a business activity. And next point is profit motive. You know all very well, the prime consideration in any business is to earn profit. And next point is continuity in dealing. One single transaction does not constitute business. The term business refer to a series of dealing in sequence. Regular sequence. Next point is creation of utility. Creation of utility. From the point of view economic sense, utility is created in various way, like the utility of place, form, time. The place utility is created by carrying goods from the place of production to the place of consumption, and form utility is created by changing their forms, and time utility is created by storing the goods in godowns. So this is the characteristics of business creation of utility. Next point is customer satisfaction. Every business know the aim of business profit. Business is profit earning, but it is not possible without customer satisfaction. Yes, without physical resources we cannot run the business. Therefore human activity is also the characteristics of business. Wide scope. Wide scope is the characteristics of business because business include not only production but also distribution, transportation, banking, insurance, storage, communication, advertising, packaging, research and development. Therefore, wide scope is the characteristics of business. Next point is business is both science or art. Because business is science, because like science, it has systematic principle based on experiments which establish cause and effect relationship. But business can also be an art because under it not only the principle are formulated but the way to make their best use is also indicated. And last characteristics of business is innovation and research. Businessmen have to encourage innovations and research in their respective field of activities. They have to be alert and questions about the activities of rival organization. Business has to face the challenges of changing business environment. So guys, next topic is business environment. Next video may understand. uh, Thank you. Till the time, tata, bye bye.